Hey guys, just a quick video I posted yesterday asking for you some ideas and all that stuff. I just figured I'd do a quick video on that, and I'll link it at the back of this one. I'll comment back to everybody that did comment, probably tonight, being that I posted the video yesterday. I appreciate all the comments, and I will do my best to do all of them. I wanted everybody to be aware though. Some of that stuff I will get into, don't get me wrong, it's not that I'm not going to get into it, but some of it relies on a lot of time input. And at this point, we're real busy at the shop, or I'm real busy at the shop. That's one of those things, just the boss is always busy. So I just wanted you guys to, bear with me on some of that stuff. Any of the head porting and that type of stuff, or long drawn process stuff, to port a head, even if we're not taking the shelf off, we're just doing bowl work, some de-shrouding, and a little bit of exhaust porting. That's a full 10-hour day job at least. So if I start one port on it, I have to finish it, because then I have a head that has one port that's ported, and I can't sell it like that. So I need to go through the whole thing and do the whole thing at once. So I just wanted to touch base with you guys on that. You guys can either comment on this video or the last video. Doesn't matter. I try to get back to everybody whenever they comment on whatever video, doesn't matter. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate it. Catch you on the next one.